Hi lovelies, it's always great to come your way again. I hope you're doing great and you're taking really good care of yourselves. Please stay safe. Today we are making a very simple recipe, very easy to follow. We are making stuffed eggplants. Please stay tuned. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for passing by. I really hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Please consider subscribing, liking and commenting on my videos so we can be YouTube friends. If you're a subscriber, welcome back to my channel. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe also. Please don't forget to comment, like, and let's keep this love affair going. Let's get into it. Here's what you will need. Your eggplants. I have one bunch of green onions already chopped. Also, I have one medium-sized bell pepper which is chopped. I have 4 pieces of chicken wieners that I chopped. This is half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of flour, all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon paprika, and 2 eggs. Let's get started. So start by chopping your eggplant. So I'm going to chop these into circles, like so. And don't forget to wash the eggplant before you start cutting them, or if you forget, after chopping them, please remember to wash it. And then we will continue by removing the middle part. After you're done cutting the eggplants, you take your knife and go around the eggplant, trying to create like a circle, okay? Create a circle, remove the food that it's in the middle, like this. Do this to all the eggplants. So after you are done removing the middle of the eggplants, I realized there were some that didn't have a lot of seed, not any seed at all in them. So I'm going to cut these and add them to my filling. You could as well remove the seeds from some of these ones and cut them, but I ain't got time for that. After this is done, break your egg and separate the egg yolk from the egg white. I'm just going to be using the egg white for this recipe. You can go ahead and use the full egg if that is what you prefer. Now in a large container, we are going to toss in all our other ingredients, okay? So that goes in the bell pepper, the green onions, the chicken wieners, black pepper, oregano, eggplant, the middle of the eggplant that we cut. So now go ahead and add the egg white. We'll mix everything together. After everything is well mixed, go ahead and mix your flour with water and add to the mixture. This is going to hold everything together. It acts as the glue. So for 1 tablespoon of flour, I added 2 tablespoons of water. So that goes in and mix that as well. Now medium heat, add a little bit of olive oil to your frying pan, spread. After this is done, place your eggplants, as many as possible that can fill your pan, and fill the holes that you created with the mixture that you have made. It looks amazing. When this is done, you're going to cover it and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until it has reached your desired level of cookness. I don't know if that's an English word, but I think you understand it. So go ahead and cover this and let it cook on medium heat. You're going to do this to the rest of the eggplants until you're filling or until one of them run out. So about halfway into the cooking time, go ahead and turn your eggplant, flip it over. This recipe is really great for breakfast, dinner, whatever. I really like this recipe. If you like what you see, please like, comment, subscribe, and let's be YouTube friends. There are more good recipes coming your way. Thanks for watching. See you next time.